Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your ANZ Bank app not working. So, if your ANZ Bank app is not working, it may be due to various reasons. So, the first and foremost reason may be that your app is out of date. So, to do that, simply go to your Play Store or App Store and go to ANZ. Now, make sure this says open instead of update. So, if your app is out of date, sometimes it will not open as the features which are up to date will not be working on your app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. After that, simply go to your web browser and simply type in ANZ Bank app working or not. Once you've done that, it'll basically take you to the status page overview. And then if the servers are down, it'll simply say that the servers are down as the reason you're not being able to access the app. Now, the third most reason may be your app itself or maybe your Wi-Fi connection. As ANZ Bank app is an application that requires a stable Wi-Fi connection or a data connection to work. If you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection or data connection, your app will not work at all. So make sure you have a stable connection. Now, even after doing all of that, if the problem still continues, what you can do is basically contact the ANZ support. And if the problem is still there, you can simply try restarting your entire mobile device. Sometimes that will fix the problem as well. So that is basically how you fix your ANZ Bank app not working. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.